Hello and welcome. I'm Aurora, your host today here in Huizhou, Guangdong, one of China's manufacturing hubs. Stands ZOUHENP, a company founded in 2018 and dedicated to the spirit of craftsmanship.
On the production floor, team works in ordinary rhythm, assembly today's order, from smartphone screen and battery to flexible cable and smart repair part accessory. Every part is handled with precision. What makes ZOUHENP unique is its factory direct model. Products are delivered straight from the source, ensuring there are no middlemen and no unnecessary mix-ups. Beyond that, the company offers mature OEM and ODM capability, providing comprehensive solutions for the global mobile repair part market.
With over 20,000 SKUs, ZOUHENP has become a true one-stop supplier of mobile repair parts, and today it is actively partnering with agents across Europe and North America, strengthening the global supplier chain for mobile repair part accessories. From Shenzhen to the world, ZOUHENP is more than a factory, it is a true link in keep the mobile industry moving. See you next time. Bye bye.